today's video, another ukulele tutorial na naman ang aking ituturo sa inyo. So yung song na itutugtog ko for today is Ikaw Ragang by DJ Rowel. Very easy lang yung chords na aking ituturo for today, and of course, yung strumming pattern din is napaka-easy lang din. So let's start. Bale, first chord na ating gagamitin is C. Bale, nasa 3rd fret, first string. Then, the second chord na ating gagamitin is G. Bale, sa second fret, 3rd string and first string. And sa 3rd fret is yung nasa second string ng 3rd fret. Bale, ito yung G. Tapos, A minor is nasa 2nd fret, 4th string. And of course, the last chord na ating gagamitin, which is F. Bali, 1st fret, 2nd string, and 2nd fret, 4th string. Bali, paulit-ulit lang natin yung nagagamitin na chords, and yung chords na tinuro ko is yun yung gagamitin natin sa simulan ng song until matapos yung song. So, this time yung strumming pattern na naman ng aking ituturo sa inyo. So, by the way, napaka-easy lang. And ito yung basic strumming pattern na ituturo ko sa inyo, which is yung down, down, up, up, down. Again, follow me. Down, down, up, down. So, kailangan medyo quick tayo mag-strum. Like, down, down, up, down. Ganon. So, this time, i-play na natin yung song. Gagamitin natin yung 4 na chords na aking ituturo, which is yung C, G, A minor, and F. And of course, kailangan natin gamitin yung ating strumming pattern na down, down, up, down. So, this time, yung intro muna yung ating i-play. Bali, twice sa C, twice sa G, twice sa A minor, and twice sa F. So, follow me. Down, down, up, down, 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 down, down. Then, mag-start na tayo dun sa first na Ikaw ragang, ikaw lachudang di higugmaon ko. Ikaw ra, wala na'y lain pa. Na kayo. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell for more videos and for more updates.